Today I'm going to show you how to manually enter data into SchoolCity. Now, before you get too excited, know that there are some caveats on that. It's only available for certain tests and in a limited kind of a space. Now, you can't enter, well, some you have to enter manually all the time, like performance-based or just manual entry always. If you have them take it online, you can't manually enter those. It has to be available offline. Now that means if I have a test that I could give as a bubble sheet, but instead I chose to give it on the computer, I can do that one. I can manually enter those scores. But if I have one that can only go online, say I used XCR questions, then that can't be manually entered. It just won't allow it. We would like them to add a feature where you can manually enter more than that, and we've asked for that, but we'll see. Don't get too excited because asking doesn't equal getting. Now, the first thing you need to do if you're going to do some manual entry is go into the help menu. That's this question mark up here. And it opens up this beautiful page. Now you need to download it. You can't do this one on the web interface. You have to do it in their special thing. So click on downloads. And you see that? I just scrolled down till it said downloads, then clicked on it. Now, the way computer numbers work, 3 is newer than 2. I installed 3 and it works pretty well. So you click on that and it opens up the menu to download it, and then you can install it. Here at work, you'd have to get a BLT to do that for you. Once you have it installed, you can go into and just search for SchoolCity. And it's called SchoolCity Scan, and then click on it and it'll open. It's your normal password, the same one you use to get into SchoolCity itself. Now you can navigate the way you always do, or search for the test. This is going to be a test level kind of a thing. So you click on the name of the test. Now you can scan from here if you'd like to. But here's the manual input up there on the right. You have to put the student ID and you have to put it correctly or it won't work. Then you can say if they skipped a question, well, just hit skip. Multiple choice, it's probably pretty obvious. You just select whatever they put, and multiple responses the same way. Done? Yeah, I want to submit the test. I'm going to manually enter another one. Oops. Now here's, on a constructed response, you say how many points they got. There's nowhere that it really says that, but it does say maximum points 4. So let's see, this kid got 4 out of 4. I can go ahead and put that in. Now this is, as you can see, it would be much too time consuming to put for an entire class. But for 1 or 2 students, it's pretty handy. Then you probably don't have errors that you need to review. You could just upload the results. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to click it or it doesn't go anywhere. And there you go. That's how you manually enter their scores. Their scores are now recorded in SchoolCity.